Kevin Oeste here in the body shop at V8 Speed and Resto, and I've got some really cool progress to share on our 63 Corvette Roadster. Our 63 Corvette had left the body shop for a little while to get some mechanical work done and has returned for some more refinement. One of the things that is really cool about this car is the engine combination. This is a GM LS3 with a TKX 5-speed, but what you'll see sitting on top is a Lokar modern classic EFI system. And this, of course, is designed to look very similar to the ramjet fuel injection you could get back on a 63 Corvette. So it looks right at home. Of course, you know, there are modern touches with the serpentine drive, and you know, the coil covers and everything else are going to be a little bit different than that original Corvette. But this was a non-numbers matching Corvette, so we're happy to do some performance upgrades on it, guilt-free, right? This one also features all C4 Corvette suspension on a custom chassis. And one of the things you might have noticed already is that this wheel and tire really sticks out. Well, that's not the final size, don't worry about that. These are just the rollers. But this type of rear axle and suspension present a little bit of a challenge because it's very wide. So we're going to make some custom offset wheels to fit the way this chassis is. It's coming from Evod, and it is a modern take on the vintage Corvette hubcap style from 1963. And the whole car has a classic appearance to it, but with modern touches. We had our friend Murray Comant do a rendering. You can see that oversized Corvette wheel, a full white leather interior, the correct fuel injection badges, instantly recognizable as a vintage Corvette, but are hiding all kinds of modern performance. So last time we showed you this, we pointed out some of the bonding areas where we put new panels on, and we've done a little more fiberglass work on that, but now we're really refining the shape. You can see we've installed our headlight buckets, and we're starting to get those worked in so that they not only function properly, but have a nice gap around them and fit the hole the way they're supposed to. But take a look at these body lines, man. Our team is doing such a great job of refining these and making them super crisp and super sharp so that when this car is in color, it just looks dynamite. We had to do some repairs inside, so that transmission tunnel has been fiberglassed properly and repaired. Our last video, that was kind of cracked and not quite finished yet, so that's all been taken care of. And right now we're fitting door handles, and we've got the bumpers mocked up and some of the other pieces on the car that all need to get fitted before this goes into any primer. So in the bodywork stage, this stuff all gets test fitted together. One thing that's really cool, this knife edge design again is very special, and it was designed primarily by Peter Brock at Chevrolet in 1957. And if you want to hear that story, I did an interview with Peter Brock recently at the Muscle Car and Corvette Nationals. There's a link in the description on this video to that one, to where you can hear it right from Mr. Brock. And he talks about how these were supposed to be factory functional when this car was originally designed. We're going to leave them closed off like this, but just some interesting stories on this legendary design. The other thing that's really interesting about Restomod Corvettes like this 63, recently at the Barrett-Jackson and Mecum auctions, these cars went for huge money. There's a lot of interest in having a car that looks like this, but performs like a modern car. And that's where this one comes in, because the suspension is going to make it handle much better. The engine is 530 horsepower. That 5-speed manual transmission with the overdrive is going to be a lot more fun to drive. So it's really a performance car with that classic look, kind of the best of all worlds when it comes to building your dream ideal Corvette. These wheels are just silly looking on here, and it's driving me crazy, so that's not how it's going to be, friends. Our bodywork team is almost finished with this round of body filler and sanding. After this, it'll go into primer and then get a little more sanding. We want to make sure this thing is as straight as it can be. And then after that, we'll do the upholstery, wiring, and a whole bunch of more cool stuff to make this into a running, driving car. We invite you to follow along. You can hit the subscribe button, and that way you'll never miss an episode of V8 TV, or come to our website at v8speedshop.com. You'll see the full photo gallery, all of our videos, and you can even reach us if you've got an ideal Corvette Restomod project that you would love to be driving, or some other type of car. We do all kinds of stuff. There's an old Studebaker over there if you didn't see that. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.